Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of wheat pennies, focusing on the 1951 Lincoln penny. Its value can range dramatically, from $2 to $2,000, depending on various factors. We'll also explore the 1953 wheat penny without a mint mark, averaging around $92.44, with sales varying from 25 cents to $1,700. Join us as we uncover the top 4 wheat pennies and their true worth. The 1951 wheat penny without a mint mark, understanding its value. The 1951 wheat penny, officially known as the Lincoln penny, is a notable piece in American coinage history. While many collectors have come across this coin, its value can vary significantly based on a variety of factors. If you've seen estimates ranging from $2 to $2,000, it's essential to understand why such discrepancies exist and what influences the coin's valuation. First minted in 1909, the wheat penny was designed to honor Abraham Lincoln, featuring his portrait on the obverse and 2 wheat stalks on the reverse. The coin was produced with this design until 1958, marking it as a staple of American currency during the early to mid-20th century. By 1951, over 1 billion wheat pennies were minted, primarily in Philadelphia, where coins were produced without a mint mark. This high mintage contributes to the coin's general availability, affecting its market value. Factors influencing value. 1. Condition. The condition of the coin is arguably the most critical factor in determining its value. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70. Here's a brief overview. Circulated coins. Most 1951 wheat pennies in circulation today fall into this category and typically range in value from 10 cents to $2. Uncirculated coins. Coins that have never been in circulation and show no signs of wear can command higher prices, generally between $5 to $10, and occasionally higher for coins in pristine condition. 2. Varieties and errors. While the 1951 wheat penny is generally common, certain varieties or minting errors can make specific coins highly desirable. For instance, if a coin has an unusual strike or doubling, it may attract more interest from collectors and increase its value significantly. 3. Market demand. The numismatic market is influenced by supply and demand dynamics. The value of coins can fluctuate based on collector interest, economic conditions, and trends in the market. If a particular type of coin gains popularity, its value may rise accordingly. 4. Provenance. Coins that have a documented history, such as those from notable collections or with unique stories, can also fetch higher prices. Collectors often place a premium on pieces with interesting backgrounds. The $2 to $2,000 range explained. The value range you've encountered is largely attributed to the wide variety of conditions and the potential for rare errors. Here's how to break it down. Common circulated coins. For the average 1951 wheat penny without a mint mark, expect values around 10 cents to $2. These are readily available and not considered rare. Uncirculated examples. If the coin is in mint condition, it may be valued between $5 and $10. Exceptional rarity or errors. In rare cases, if the coin is in uncirculated condition and features a notable error, prices could reach the hundreds or even thousands of dollars, though this is quite uncommon. Such instances would typically require professional authentication to substantiate their value. Evaluating your coin. If you own a 1951 wheat penny and are curious about its value, consider the following steps. 1. Examine the condition. Look for signs of wear, scratches, or discoloration. A higher grade will enhance its value significantly. 2. Research for errors. Investigate if your coin has any identifiable errors or varieties. Resources like numismatic guides or online forums can be helpful. 3. Get an appraisal. If you believe your coin might be valuable, seek out a professional appraisal from a reputable coin dealer or grading service. They can provide a more accurate assessment based on current market conditions. 4. Market comparison. Check online auction sites or coin marketplaces to see what similar coins are selling for, which can give you a realistic view of its market value. Conclusion. The 1951 wheat penny without a mint mark is a fascinating piece of currency, rich in history and appeal. While most examples are relatively low in value, special conditions or unique characteristics can lead to higher valuations. Understanding the factors that influence coin values can help collectors make informed decisions, whether buying, selling, or simply appreciating this classic piece of American numismatics. The 1953 wheat penny without a mint mark is an intriguing item for coin collectors and investors alike. Its average value stands at approximately $92.44, yet the range of sold comparables varies dramatically, from as low as 25 cents to an impressive $1,700. This significant price disparity is indicative of various factors influencing its market value. Historical context. Wheat pennies were minted from 1909 to 1958, featuring a design by Victor David Brenner that showcases two stalks of wheat on the reverse side. The 1953 penny was produced during a period of post-World War II prosperity, with millions struck in that year. While the production numbers suggest it should be a common find, several aspects contribute to its varying worth in today's market. Factors influencing value. 1. Condition and grading. The most critical factor in determining a coin's value is its condition. Coins are graded on a scale from poor, P, to mint state, MS, and finer details or less where can significantly enhance a coin's market appeal. For instance, a 1953 penny in uncirculated condition may reach prices close to or even exceeding $1,700, while a heavily worn coin might only be worth a fraction of that. 2. Rarity. Although millions of 1953 wheat pennies were minted, certain conditions or varieties can render specific coins more desirable. For example, coins with notable errors or unique die varieties may attract serious collectors who are willing to pay a premium. 3. Market demand. The demand for wheat pennies fluctuates based on trends in coin collecting and the broader economic environment. During times of economic uncertainty, collectors might seek tangible assets like coins, which can drive prices up. Conversely, a decrease in collector interest can lead to lower prices. 4. Provenance. The history of a coin can also influence its value. Coins previously owned by prominent collectors or those with a unique backstory can fetch higher prices, as collectors often value the narrative behind a piece. Sold comparables. The range of sold comparables, from 25 cents to $1,700, illustrates the diversity of the market. Most 1953 wheat pennies in average circulated condition typically sell for modest amounts, generally clustering around the lower end of the spectrum. These coins are relatively easy to find and often circulate in everyday transactions. However, extraordinary examples can dramatically surpass the average price. Coins in pristine condition, or those with unique characteristics, can create competitive bidding among collectors, resulting in higher prices. Auctions and sales often yield surprising outcomes, as passionate collectors drive prices up, reflecting both the emotional and financial value attributed to these coins. Conclusion. The 1953 wheat penny with no mint mark serves as a compelling example of the complexities involved in coin valuation. Its average market value of $92.44 sits amid a wide spectrum, ranging from 25 cents to $1,700. This variation emphasizes the importance of factors such as condition, rarity, market demand, and provenance in determining a coin's worth. The 1945 no-mint mark wheat penny, value and collectibility. The 1945 no-mint mark wheat penny is a notable piece in American numismatics, representing a unique intersection of history and collectibility. Struck in Philadelphia, this coin was produced during a transformative time in the United States, shortly after World War II ended. Value in circulated condition. The value of a 1945 no-mint mark wheat penny in circulated condition largely depends on its grade. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with lower grades indicating more wear and higher grades reflecting better condition. Here's a breakdown of values for different grades. 1. Good, G4, heavy wear, minimal detail. Value, 10 cents to 25 cents. 2. Very good, VG8, more defined details, noticeable wear. Value, 25 cents to 50 cents. 3. Fine, F12, moderate wear, most design elements visible. Value, 50 cents to $1. 4. Very fine, VF20, light wear, well-preserved details. Value, $1 to $2. 5. Extremely fine, EF40, minimal wear, sharp details. Value, $2 to $5. 6. About uncirculated, -50 Australian dollars, slight wear, mostly uncirculated. Value, $5 to $10. Circulated value summary. In summary, circulated 1945 no-mint mark wheat pennies typically range from 10 cents to $5, depending on their specific condition. Value in uncirculated condition. Uncirculated 1945 no-mint mark wheat pennies are significantly more valuable than circulated examples. These coins show no signs of wear and maintain their original mint luster. Here's how values progress with increasing grades. 1. Mint state, MS60 to MS63, minor imperfections but uncirculated. Value, $5 to $15. 2. MS64, well preserved with few flaws. Value, $15 to $30. 3. MS65, attractive coins with minor imperfections. Value, $30 to $100. 4. MS66 and higher, rare and high demand, values range from $100 to $300, with exceptional pieces possibly exceeding $500. Uncirculated value summary. Uncirculated 1945 no-mint mark wheat pennies can range from $5 for lower grades to several $100s for top-quality pieces. Factors influencing value. Several factors influence the value of the 1945 no-mint mark wheat penny. 1. Condition, the most significant factor affecting value, higher grade coins are more desirable. 2. Market demand, fluctuations in collector interest can lead to varying prices. 3. Varieties and errors, identifiable errors or unique features can significantly enhance value. 4. Preservation, proper storage is crucial for maintaining coin quality. 5. Provenance, a coin's history can impact its market value, particularly if it has notable past ownership. Collectibility. The 1945 no-mint mark wheat penny appeals to a broad range of collectors. Its affordability in circulated condition makes it accessible to newcomers, while uncirculated examples attract serious investors. As part of the larger Lincoln Cent series, it fits into various collecting themes, enhancing its appeal. The 1920 no-mint mark wheat penny, value and collectibility. The 1920 no-mint mark wheat penny, produced by the United States Mint, is a significant piece for both collectors and numismatists alike. Its value fluctuates based on various factors, including condition, rarity, and market demand. Understanding the specifics surrounding this coin is essential for anyone interested in coin collecting or investing. Circulated versus uncirculated condition. The condition of a coin is one of the most critical factors affecting its value. Coins are typically classified into various grades based on their wear and appearance. Circulated condition, in this state, the 1920 no-mint mark wheat penny generally holds a value between 10 cents and $1. The value depends on the amount of wear the coin has experienced. Coins that have minimal wear and retain some of their original detail may fetch a higher price within this range. Uncirculated condition, an uncirculated coin, which shows no signs of wear and retains its original luster, can be valued at $50 or more. Coins in this condition are highly sought after, especially by collectors looking to complete their sets or invest in high-quality specimens. Higher grades and rarity. For coins that achieve higher grades, the value can skyrocket dramatically. Coins graded as MS, mint state, 65 or higher have been known to reach values of upwards of $10,000. Factors that contribute to achieving such high grades include surface quality. Coins must have pristine surfaces, free of any marks, scratches, or blemishes. Luster. The coin should exhibit a full, brilliant luster, indicative of its uncirculated state. Eye appeal. Coins that are visually appealing often attract higher bids in the market. Market demand and trends. The numismatic market can be volatile, influenced by trends in collecting, economic conditions, and public interest. While the 1920 no-mint mark wheat penny is not the rarest coin, its historical context and the fact that it is part of a popular series make it appealing. Collectors are often drawn to specific years, mint marks, and errors, which can drive demand. Finding value. For collectors or investors looking to determine the value of their 1920 no-mint mark wheat penny, several resources can be utilized. 1. Price guides. Numismatic publications and online resources offer price guides that reflect current market trends and values. 2. Coin shows and auctions. Attending coin shows or participating in auctions can provide insight into what buyers are willing to pay for similar coins. 3. Professional grading services. Sending a coin to a grading service can provide an official grade, which can help in assessing its value more accurately. Preservation and care. To maintain the value of a wheat penny, especially one that is uncirculated or in high grade, proper care is essential. Here are some tips. Storage. Store coins in a cool, dry place, preferably in protective holders such as coin flips or capsules to prevent scratches and tarnishing. Handling. Always handle coins by the edges and avoid touching the surfaces to reduce the risk of oil transfer from fingers. Cleaning. Never clean a coin with abrasives or chemicals, as this can greatly reduce its value. If a coin is dirty, consult a professional for advice on cleaning.